so much competition in this emerging industry. What makes Hyzon different, and why should investors put their money to work in your stock as it comes public?
Well, first, thanks for having me. It looks like there's a lot of competition in the space, perhaps, but frankly, we feel like we're almost on our own at the moment because Hyzon Motors is built on the back of almost 2 decades of fuel cell technology development at the parent company, Hyzon Fuel Cell. And myself and our chairman, my co-founder, George Gu, we've been developing that technology for that period of time. So we have a very strong technology base, which has been laid down over a long time, and a strong global network. So when we bring this new business to the market, it's really an application for a very mature technology. And we think that differentiates Hyzon Motors quite substantially. And we think that that's evidenced by the fact that we've secured orders from customers already in 3 different continents.
Yeah. And in terms of bringing that new business to market, I mean, break down the economics, the case for why you are focusing on these commercial vehicles, at least initially.
Okay, so commercial vehicles have the highest utilization. And quite frequently, commercial vehicles operate from a base, from a depot. So very high utilization vehicles running from a single location represent the most attractive use case for hydrogen, because there's still some challenge in making sure there's hydrogen available for any fuel cell vehicle you put on the road. By operating from bases, we build up highly viable hubs of activity, and you never have to, invest in underutilized assets. For example, trying to build a national network to justify vehicle deployments is very challenging from an investment standpoint. But investing in a single piece of infrastructure to fuel potentially hundreds of vehicles in one location, this can be a really attractive investment. And that's why the low-hanging fruits for us are those high utilization, back-to-base type logistics operations, which, it's an easy to find examples amongst our customers that are signing up. They're operating buses that go from one location and come back. They're operating delivery trucks. They're operating kind of point-to-point logistics type vehicles. So we think that our model is understood by our customers, and those types of customers are on an increasingly urgent mandate to decarbonize their activities.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.